Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw butterfly. So let's get started. First, draw a circle. Now let's draw the body. From here, draw a curve and another one. Now draw lines inside the body. For wings, draw a curve and another one from here and connect it to this. From here draw another one and connect it to here. Now let's connect this one. Now let's draw the eye. Draw a small curve for mouth. Now let's draw the filaments. Now let's draw some curvy lines and some shapes inside the wings. Now let's draw some circles here. So now to draw the outline, I'm using a black marker. After completing the outline, I'm going to erase this without leaving the traces of pencil, and then I will color it. Here I'm going to use different colors like yellow, blue, purple, orange, red, green, pink and etc. And you can also try with different colors. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.